Hey folks, Anna here. I am just tuning in to share a couple of announcements. One, the SQL AI Developer Cert, known as DP 800, is now generally available. And we're super excited about this because it allows you to combine your existing SQL knowledge and grow it in this AI world where everything is changing rapidly and AI is here to help us. So that new cert is available. And the other thing I wanted to say along this lines is this new series of workshops called SQL AI in a Day. And these workshops are being rolled out globally and they're delivered by Microsoft partners, not so you just learn, but so we work on a scenario that matters to you and help you enable AI in your existing workflows and applications and Microsoft SQL estates. So learn all about it, follow along, see if there's a location coming near you, and I can't wait to see what you build.